A global decentralized blockchain network, smart contracts, interoperability, mining masternodes with AI support for crypto stability that aim to bridge the gap between crypto and fiat. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video, I am going to share a great news regarding the sale of the token CWR Corium, and also I will basically tell you the main new features which they recently updated in their new versions. So you must have to be with us during the video, then you will understand each and everything regarding the Corium platform. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Okay, first of all, I will tell you the main thing here. You can see it by yourself. Only and only basically 3 days are left, and when you will basically at the time when you receive the video, as per my point of view, I think it will be about 2 days left for the public sale. So right now you have the chance to buy this token at very low price. Here you can see it by yourself. 1 CWR is equal to 0.045 at this time, and it is very easy for you to basically buy this token directly from the main platform. You just have to click on the purchase token now. Then basically a new page will occur like this, where you have to enter your personal name, your email address, your password, confirm password, and then you have to enter this and you have to accept all the terms and the conditions. Then simply basically you can make your own account, and then they will send you an email. You have to confirm that email, and then simply you can log in the account, where you have multiple options to buy CWR tokens directly on their platform. After signing up on the main platform, you just have to click on the buy token now, and when you are going to click over here you can see all the options, especially USD, Ethereum, LTC, XLM, BNB, Tron, Dash, USDT, BCH, XRP, BTC, and NGN. So you have multiple options, so you can easily buy this token CWR. And as I told you that only and only 3 days are left for you if you want to buy, and if you want to multiply your money. For example, if you are going to invest $100 at this time, then definitely in future that $100 will give you up to more than $2,000. So it is such a great thing at this time if you are going to buy this token directly from their main platform. And as I told you, it is very easy, and also you have multiple options to buy the CWR tokens directly from their main platform. So now I will tell you the main features, and also you can say the key features of the Corium blockchain. What are the main features? And if you have any type of questions, you can directly ask from the team, because the team is there for you 24/7, and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. The main features of the Corium. Now we are going to discuss all about that. Here you can see ICO bench, the coin codex, the crypto term, and everything. All the platforms which are basically ranked up, the ICOs and IEOs, they give maximum stars and maximum numbers to the Corium platform. Now I will tell you the main features of the Corium blockchain. A multi-dimensional basically smart contract, a mass-oriented cryptocurrency, and highly secure decentralized exchange, a DApp that allows you to send crypto and receives in fiat. An artificial intelligence system that can predict the market and help suggest a foreseeable solution, while the buffer system helps stabilize the Cori and protect it from the market volatility. So these are the major key features which basically make this Corium Ultra, you can say, a new token, and also you can say a new basically an idea. It is basically an idea, a new idea. Basically Corium is a blockchain project being developed to help small and medium enterprise to easily adopt comprehensive blockchain solutions to better reach thousands of customers who conduct business through the SME industry. Cowrie coin is the official cryptocurrency of the basically Korean project. So it is all the things which I told you, especially the main key features, which are entirely, you can say, a new thing, new idea, and definitely it will help the Korean project CWR tokens also to grow very soon. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. And as I am telling you again and again that right now, basically only and only 3 days are left for you. If you want to buy CWR tokens, go directly to the main platform. I will share the link in the description so you can easily sign up on the main platform, and then you can easily buy the CWR tokens directly from the main platform.